if you're ready, we're gonna get into some sexy arts and crafts. So in the last video, I talked to you about dental dams. What if you don't have one and your partner prefers to use one? Got you covered. Because you were smart and you brought gloves to play with, right? Of course you did. Okay, you can make a dental dam out of glove. So all you're gonna need is a glove. Latex, if you or your partner are allergic to latex, neoprene gloves are great. Get the kind that don't have the talc powder in it because you don't want talc in your mouth. This is also great when you want to cut your own dam for people with latex sensitivities, because most actual dental dams that are sold in the store are made of latex. So, here you go. You're going to cut off the fingers, you know, just like you used to in the 80s to try to be cool. No, that was just me. Okay. Then you're going to find the part of the glove that would fit on the blade of your hand, you can say. And there you have it. Now you can just hold this open and you'll see. Okay. I like to leave the thumb part on because then I can also like get in there and get some of that like internal clitoris action while still into my mouth. So, homemade dental dam number 1, gloves.